You will learn why organizations bother measuring IMC effectiveness at all and what the main tools and processes are for evaluating advertising and other promotions. Whenever money is spent on communication, ads, social media, sales promotions, events, someone eventually asks, did it work? Measuring IMC effectiveness is about being able to answer that question with more than a guess. There are several reasons this is important. First, measurement helps justify the budget. If you can show that a campaign moved awareness, attitudes, or sales, it is much easier to defend current spending and ask for future funding. Second, measurement helps improve decisions. By comparing what worked better and what worked worse, marketers can refine their messages, media choices, targeting, and timing. Third, measurement keeps everyone accountable. Agencies, media partners, and internal teams know they will be evaluated against specific outcomes, not just on creative awards or gut feel. There are also arguments against measuring, and you will hear them in practice. Some people say that measuring is expensive, takes too long, or cannot capture long term brand effects. Those concerns are real, but they are not a reason to skip measurement entirely. They are a reason to design smarter, more focused evaluation plans. To make this more concrete, think about the main categories of tools. For advertising, there are pre-tests and post-tests. Pre-tests are used before a campaign goes fully live. For example, a rough TV ad might be shown to a sample audience to see if people understand the main idea, if the brand is clear, and if the tone feels right. Pre-testing can catch big problems early, when it is still possible to change the creative. Post-tests are used after a campaign has run. These include recall and recognition tests, brand tracking surveys, and studies that look at changes in awareness, attitudes, and purchase intentions before and after the campaign. There are also tracking studies that follow key measures over time, such as brand awareness, consideration, and preference. These are often run quarterly or continuously, and they help show whether communication is moving the needle, even if other factors like price and distribution are also at play. In some cases, there are single source or scanner based studies that link ad exposure to actual purchase data, especially in packaged goods. That gives a more direct line of sight from media to sales. For sales promotions, measurement might focus on redemption rates for coupons, lift in sales during the promotional period, changes in store traffic, or changes in repeat purchase after a promotion ends. For direct marketing, the tools are usually very precise. Response rates, click through rates, conversion rates, average order value, and customer lifetime value can all be calculated and compared across campaigns. In the digital and social space, measurement is built into the platforms. Impressions, clicks, video views, completion rates, time on site, bounce rates, and a wide range of engagement metrics are available. More importantly, marketers can track downstream behavior, sign-ups, downloads, purchases, or other actions triggered by digital communication. Behind all these tools is usually a process. It starts with setting measurable objectives. For example, increase unaided brand awareness from 20 to 30%, or generate 2,000 qualified leads, or achieve a 5% lift in sales compared with a baseline. Then, a measurement plan is built around those objectives. During the campaign, data is collected and monitored. Afterward, the results are analyzed and compared to the objectives and to alternative strategies. The findings then inform the next cycle of planning. The key idea is that measurement is not a one time afterthought. It is a continuous loop that connects planning, execution, and learning. And it uses a toolkit that ranges from surveys and lab tests to field experiments, scanner data, and digital analytics.